Hi guys, today I know I look so weird as I have no makeup on my face. I'm going to make some breakfast for me and I'm going to try Knorr Chinese Szechuan noodles today. This is a kind of food review, guys. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So inside the packet we have one chunk of noodles and a masala packet. So I have kept some water on my stove for boiling the noodles. I'll be back. This is getting done. So hi guys, the noodles is cooked completely and it looks like this. I don't like extremely soupy noodles, so I have made it a bit thick. Here in the packet we have directions like how to cook these noodles, and it is the same like every other noodles, but here they have given the cooking time as 3 minutes, whereas it takes more than 3 minutes for us to cook. It took me around 6 to 7 minutes in cooking this. Here in the pack they say that it has 100% real vegetables and no added preservatives, but here if you see the noodles up close, I couldn't see any vegetables. There are no sign of vegetable in this bit. So hi guys, I'm ready to taste the noodles. So let's see the first impressions of Knorr Szechuan noodles. It is not that hot, guys. Also, it would have been better if you add some vegetables to it. It is not that spicy. If you are like me, especially a South Indian, you can add extra spices like extra chili powder or something and make it. I would suggest you to make this noodles, put some vegetables to these noodles so that you get a better taste. According to me, if I compare Knorr soupy Knorr noodles to Maggi, I would still go back to Maggi, since the taste of Maggi noodles are much more better than these. So that is, we have lot of flavors in Maggi, lot of flavors and taste in Maggi, whereas you can try these guys because everybody's taste buds won't be the same. According to me, I won't go back and buy this again. Product and the MRP of this is 15 rupees. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more reviews like this. I would like to know if you want to see more reviews or like food reviews especially on my channel. Please comment down below. I would love to do it for you guys.